Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can fix your problem on TikTok if your AI manga filter is not working. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your app store and search in TikTok. And you want to see if your TikTok is updated, because that may be one of the reasons why it's not showing the AI manga filter. So just update that. And let's open TikTok. Now you should be able to see the AI manga filter on TikTok, but if you still don't see it, then go to your TikTok profile and tap on the three lines on the upper right. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down. And under support and about, tap on report a problem. And here you can just search for an issue and type in filter and tap I want new filters or effects. Here just tap on no, because it's asking if the problem is resolved. So we're just going to type in no and choose need more help. Here you just want to type something like I want the AI manga filter on my account, please. This issue. Tap on done and submit. TikTok should get back to you within a few hours or days, and your problem should be resolved. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.